Simple. Elegant. Rubeustan.
Hello guys, in this video, we will show you some behind the scene of our product video commercial. The entire product video is shot with an iPad Pro 2016 using Filmic Pro app that is available on both iOS and Android devices. The good thing about Filmic Pro is you can manually set or adjust the settings of your camera like aspect ratio, resolution, frame rate, and even shutter speed and ISO. So basically, our setup for this product video is to have a black and cinematic theme. Note, we only shot all of this footage on the comfort of our home using only an iPad Pro 2016. We use a black backdrop to achieve a minimalist and cinematic video. And next, on our lighting setup, we only use a ring light and cell phone LCD screen flashlights, as this is only the available lights in our home. We installed the app widescreen that can give us an instant RGB color lights. Now, here are the settings of our shot on Filmic Pro for our product commercial. Luckily, iPad Pro 2016 can produce 4K quality of video, so most of our footage is shot on 4K. Next, we use 25 FPS for the frame rate, and then we adjust the shutter speed to 1/50. As Benett Graezer said, you need to adjust your shutter speed double as your frame rate. After that, we slide the ISO to the lowest possible to achieve a black and cinematic video. As for the slow-mo shot, we drop the resolution to 1080p to activate the 120 FPS frame rate to achieve a nice and smooth slow-mo footage for the water splash. Now, these are some video of behind the scenes for our watch commercial. So this is the final results.
Simple. Elegant. Rubeustan.